Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ari and today we are gonna make mango popsicles together. That we first need a popsicle mold. My mom got it from Amazon and it's reusable. I'm making mango popsicle today, so I have some fresh mango chopped and we need some water and some mango syrup. If you don't have mango syrup, so you can use fresh mango juice or orange juice to make orange popsicles. Strawberry juice to make strawberry popsicles. I'm gonna add some mango syrup. I don't want my popsicle too sweet, so I'm not adding any sugar because sugar is already in the syrup. I'm gonna add some water in the syrup. Now I'm gonna add the mango syrup in the mold. I'm gonna add the chopped mango on the top. This feels like this is their bathtub. So now I'm going to put it in the freezer and check